You want to sound more confident, more fluent, and of course more like a native English speaker. But let me ask you something. Do you understand English? Do you really understand English? But when you speak, your mind just goes blank. You freeze. You know the words and you know the grammar. You know the time to talk when you phrase. It's just your mind goes blank. So if that's you, this video is meant for you, and this video will change the way you speak in English and of course to sound more confident. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sound more fluent, more confident, and of course more like a native English speaker without even memorizing 1,000 of words, and to speak perfectly like a native English speaker. Okay, so we are going to be talking about why thinking in your native language is killing your fluency, the real reason that you hesitate and say or in English, which are the filler words, which are not important to be fair, and the fluent speakers actually, how the fluent speakers actually speak, and not a grammar to be fair. And a simple and a daily practice that makes English feel automatic, and the mindset shifts that removes fear when you actually speak. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to practice and what to start doing to just sound more like a native English speaker. Why you feel not fluent, even if you know English. Here's a problem, okay? Most English learners, they are trying to translate in their head. If you're trying to translate all the time in your head, in your native language, you think in your native language, then you translate to English, then you speak. That is literally you killing your fluency. It's delaying what makes you sound unsure, okay? Fluent speakers do not translate. They respond straight away. And the goal isn't to speak perfect English, it's to sound more comfortable and to sound more confident at the same time. To be fair, fluency is about a flow, not perfection. And this is the big mindset shift that nobody tells you about. Fluency isn't about a big vocabulary. It's about perfect grammar. Fluency is about how you flow, how you speak. Native speakers make mistakes all of the time. And they pause, they correct themselves at the same time, but they speak, they keep going, okay? Confidence comes from continuing, even when it's not perfect, okay? So you stop trying to sound smart, you stop trying to sound clear. That's it, simple. Use simple English, not complex English. Here's the secret, the truth, okay? Fluent speakers know simple English sounds more confident than complex English, and instead of searching for advanced words every single day, say what you know fast. You think, in my opinion, okay? I think, in my opinion, what I mean. These are all conversation starters. And these phrases buy you time and keep the conversation flowing. Fluency is actually about momentum, not vocabulary at the same time. And 10 minutes daily practice that works, that actually changes everything. If you want a real improvement, do this every single day. Talk to yourself in English for 10 minutes. I know it will sound awkward. Describe your day, explain your thoughts, and say things out loud. No notes, no translation, no stopping. At first, it feels uncomfortable. That's a good sign, to be fair. And that discomfort in your brain is kind of like make how you speak, okay, automatic every single day. However, confidence comes from taking action, not practicing on a book, not watching a film without subtitles. Most people think confidence comes where you're born. No, they weren't. Let's be honest here. They spoke loudly, and they made mistakes. They felt awkward at the same time, and they kept speaking. Confidence is not something that you wait for. It's something that you build. It's something that you literally take action for it every single day. Every sentence that you say, even if it's not perfect, moves you forward, okay? So here is your challenge. You stop waiting to feel ready. You stop trying to be perfect, and you speak now now, literally now, improve later. And yeah, I mean, that's how people build confidence and how people feel speak with like a native or even fluent, and even speak more with confidence. So confidence is where it matters, how to actually speak with confidence. And remember, fluent English, it's not about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to speak out loud, even if you're not perfect. And that's the good thing. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite way to practice in order to speak more confidence? Let me know in the comment section below.